Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This picture inspired me to create this pattern. First, subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment and share this video. In this video I will show you how to create this pattern. First, I am using green color of yarn for making the base of this pattern. Hold yarn like this. Here I am using 5x0 crochet hook. Make a slip knot. After that, continue making chain on top. Here I am making total of 170 chains. Continue making 170 chains. Here my 170 chains complete. Now continue making single crochet stitches. In first 15 chains we're gonna make one single crochet in each chain below. Here my 15 single crochet stitches complete. Now 6 chain on top for making leaf. Here my 6 chain complete. In first chain we're gonna make one single crochet. In next chain make half double crochet stitch. In third chain make double crochet. In fourth chain make again half double crochet stitch. In last chain again make single crochet and make a slip stitch. Here my first leaf pattern is complete. Now continue making one single crochet in next 15 chains. Here my 15 single crochet complete. Now 6 chain on top again for leaf pattern. In first chain make one single crochet. In second chain, make half double crochet stitch. Third chain, make double crochet. In fourth chain, make again half double crochet stitch. In fifth chain, make single crochet stitch. Now slip stitch with the chain below. Continue making same pattern 15 single crochet, then leave, then again 15 single crochet until to complete the base part. Here my base part is complete. Now last single crochet, and slip stitch in the end. Cut the leftover yarn. Secure your work in the end. And now using crochet hook, hide the leftover yarn on both sides. Now base part is complete. Now we're gonna make flower pattern with this color. This flower pattern I will show you in this video. Hold yarn like this. Here I am using 4x0 crochet hook. Make a slip knot. Then make 5 chains on top. Insert it into the one chain and make a single crochet. Now 3 chains on top for double crochet stitch. In first chain we're gonna make 5 double crochet. After making 5 double crochets, slip stitch in the same chain below. Then 3 chains on top for next double crochet. We're gonna make 5 double crochet in the next chain. After 5 double crochet, slip stitch into the same chain below. Then 3 chains on top and repeat the same pattern for making third leaf. Now slip stitch in the end. Make a slip knot and cut the leftover yarn. Secure it tightly in the end. Here my flower is complete. My 9 flowers complete with using different color of yarns. Now I am using gun glue to attach flower on leaves. I will show you this pattern in this video clearly. Attach different color of flower on every leaf. Here my pattern is complete. The use of flower and leaves in this pattern brings a nature-inspired element to the outfit. It's look very cute and give aesthetic vibes on here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Allah Hafiz.